presence we gather, grateful for your love. You've called us to hospitality, to show your heart from above. Help us to love one another as you've loved us first. May our hearts be filled with your love and our lives be a reflection of your worth. You are God, our healer, our redeemer and redeemer and friend. You promise to be with us until the very end. Forgive us for our shortcomings and help us to walk in your way. We thank you for your promises and praise you every day. You've given us armor for the battle to stand against the enemy's might. Help us to put it on and to fight for what is right. You've promised to give us wisdom and to guide us on our way. Help us to seek you and to follow your lead day by day. You are God, our healer, our redeemer and redeemer and friend. You promise to be with us until the very end. Forgive us for our shortcomings and help us to walk in your way. We thank you for your promises and praise you every day. You've anointed us to bring good news, to bind up the brokenhearted and to set the captives free. Help us to be your vessels, to bring hope and healing to humanity. You promised to restore our health and to give us new life. Help us to receive your promises and to walk in your light. When we're faced with trials and our faith is put to the test, help us to remember your promises and to trust in your goodness and rest. You promise to be with us in the fire and in the rain. Help us to stand firm and to emerge victorious with your name. You are God, our healer, our redeemer, our redeemer and friend. You promise to be with us until the very end. Forgive us for our shortcomings and help us to walk in your way. We thank you for your promises and praise you every day. Praise you, Lord, for your love and faithfulness. You're our rock, our refuge and our Savior. Our hearts beat